From the declaration by the president, we're going to put a man on the moon to when the man was on the moon was 10 years. Granted, the science of rocketry was 30 years old at that point in time. I really don't quite understand why we have to sit within this current paradigm and accept the fact that it's going to be 12 years to the next generation of reactor in any shape or form. And so I really do have a problem with how do you start to, you know, do you go back to Congress and you say, okay, give NRC a deadline on new plants and make sure that they have the resources so they can't argue that they didn't have the appropriate resources for the quality. But isn't it a national imperative to move us in that direction, kind of as John pointed out, that we got to start to move us to a different place?
Does anybody want to answer that? I have a few thoughts on it.
Just go right ahead. Yeah.
No, my thought is that we're upside down in our industry. We're pushing. Our customer, the utility, is not pulling. When you have a customer that demands that you have a political force, when you have a vendor and a customer really wanting something. And when we're talking about new nuclear technologies, I don't think you have any customer pull. You have vendor push. And that is not a good political equation. That's my